It's all you never saw. Been in trouble with the law since the day they was born. Straightening the curves, flattening the hills. Someday the mountain might get them, but the law never will. Making their way the only way they know how. That's just a little bit more than the law will allow. Just a good old boy, wouldn't change if they could. Fighting the system like a true modern day Robin Hood.
You guys know that episode, you know how I worked on that van back in episode 3? This 2002 Dodge Caravan, and that's all that's left of it. Then here's the other van that we had, this 2005 Dodge Caravan. Oh, that's hilarious.
Why are they so terrible? The chassis is so light, you hit a leaf and it just bends your entire thing. They literally have lawnmower engines on them. Yeah. Their engines are smaller than mine. You know what's the cool thing about them is they're so... I don't call them chassis in my truck. And of course... Is that you, Taylor?
No.
It was him.
It wasn't me. He parked here a while ago.
Come on, dog. Now I gotta re-situate.
Hey, we didn't mess with your passenger mirror though. We're not that.
Parker, did you touch that?
No, none of us did.
You touched me. Now it's all...
So, okay, what do you think will win? Do you think the Mazda will win? Do you think the 626 will win? Or do you think Gabe's Miata will win?
What engine do you have in
The 2.0, he has the 1.6.
So, 4-cylinder?
Yeah, inline 4. Inline 4.
4-cylinder. Any aspiration?
Natural.
Okay. Manual or automatic?
Automatic.
Rear wheel, front wheel?
Front.
Front wheel, okay. And then the Miata has rear wheel. He's got the 1.6, you said?
Yeah.
1.6, automatic and manual?
Most likely manual.
Manual. What year?
96, I think.
Okay, does it have any aspiration?
He's going to turbo eventually, so we're just going to do it
So
stock.
It's stock right now?
Yeah, it's stock.
You see, the thing with the Miatas is they're so light. Just like rock it off, you know?
Yeah.
Because they do have smaller engines, but the weight is really low. But and it's a manual, so we can get a better launch. If it is manual, anyway.
Your brother looks like he's dying in there.
So I would probably put the Miata as the victor.
The only thing my car will win against is the Toyota Camry. Will you get ladies stop? My gosh.
So if he's any good at driving manual, I'd say the Miata. Like, I mean, if he wanted, I could drive it for him, but you know, it is what it is.
Yeah, he'll be fine. He's rebuilt like 3 engines. Yeah. Well, there he is, Carter. You guys haven't seen him since like season 1, but he'll be making a comeback for season 3 because now we're out of season 2 opportunities since he didn't speak up. unless I don't finish the Mazda, the next Mazda video and the next Liberty video in time, then maybe you can do something. Alrighty, guys. So I bought these new lights for my car, and I wanted to show you the before and the after. When I put these lights in. So here's the before, and then here's the after. It looks so good.
Dude, that is awesome.
Yeah, nice. Alrighty, guys. So it's I think it's about a month later since we filmed. No, it's a week later since we filmed the last shot for the vlog on this car. In the meantime, we've gone out and filmed. Let's see. I actually filmed the season finale for the channel. So yeah. The season finale is where I take a trip to Vegas.
Did you get a lap dance?
Huh?
Did you get a lap dance?
What's that supposed to mean?
Never mind.
Gosh. No, we didn't stick on the strip much.
Oh, okay.
So we went down to my buddy's wedding.
Oh, right.
Yeah. So, yeah, I've had quite a few mods to this car, like these green light bulbs. I put these into the doors. I also added the the interior lights that flash at night. Really nice. And now Gabe's going to tint this down to 35%. Because while I was in Vegas, my arm was literally getting sunburned just from sitting in the car and driving. Yeah, the UV index is probably extremely high there, especially since the elevation is so low.
Yeah, I probably got skin cancer all over the place. You have the keys for this?
Yeah, there you go.
Thank you. There. This is cool.
How do you like the seat covers?
I think they're awesome. Oh, you can.
So yeah, we'll keep you posted. Like the old car, the old Volkswagen Bus. This car, you may not realize it, but this car is only 13 years older than the Volkswagen Bus.
That is true.
So yeah, so I'm gonna give you a quick before and after. So that's what Gabe's working on now. This is 35%, and I got 5% in the back. I had this one installed in January.
You're a drug dealer?
Huh?
Because you're a drug dealer?
Who says I'm a drug dealer?
What?
Who says I'm a drug dealer?
I do, because you have 5% tint.
I just like it because it's so dark. It keeps things cool. And then this is with 100%. So 100%, 35%, 5%. All right, guys. So we're back at my place now, but the car is done. Like I said, I got these tinted back in January, and I just got these tinted today. It's November now. But Gabe did a pretty good job. I'm very pleased with how it looks. It's very nice. Especially when you sit inside of it. It blocks so much sunlight out. I might as well do it before and after, so let's unlock it and get inside. So unlock the door, get in, shut the door. One thing that's important that you have to remember about the procedure is you cannot roll your windows down. And so to prevent that, I have an older car, so my car has fuses. I just pulled the fuse for the power windows. So that should help and keep things from getting rolled down. So we are good to go. Looks very good. Look how cool that is. One of the coolest mods I have yet. And then focus it on my floor pan. You want to use your gears, by the way, in the winter to be able to slow down like you need to. Otherwise, if you slam on the brakes, you go sliding into oblivion. Because what it does is when you hit the brakes, you just hit the brakes and then they lock up. When you gear down your engine, it's not like you put it in reverse, but it's kind of like the wheels start to fight and the transmission fights, so it starts to turn the wheels backwards instead of locking them up. Do you agree, Brigham? Yeah, I'd say that's how it works. It starts turning the wheels backwards. Even though kind of does, kind of doesn't, because if it really turned your wheels backwards, that means you put it in reverse, and that's not a good thing to do.
I could explain my understanding behind how the engine works, but I'd be talking for quite a bit, and I don't think he could fit that into the next episode.
All right. Got my cousin here, Christian, got my cousin here, Maddie. They begged to be in the video. But the last thing we'll be doing today is cousin Christian, cousin Maddie. The last thing we'll be doing today is we'll be installing one of these green lights into the trunk. So come on over. I don't know why we packed and then did it. But let's see.
Eagle.
Okay, pull it out. Let's see how it looks. What do you guys think?
Ooh, I like E.
Should we install one in the ceiling?
No flashlight on camera.
do you
Yes,
think?
we should.